Just landed at the Taoyuan International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Taiwan.
Dajiahao! That's me trying to say hello everyone in Mandarin. Anyways, hello guys, welcome to a new travel vlog, and this time we spent 8 days 7 nights in Taiwan, and this part of the vlog features the western Taiwan. We covered Chiayi and Alishan, so sit back, relax, and enjoy Taiwan with us. And of course, this part of the vlog features our airport moments from Tuguegarao Airport to Taoyuan International Airport. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this was a pain in the ass to edit.
Hello guys, pwede na kami maglibang kasi nandito na kami sa may boarding gate dahil nakapasa na kami sa immigration.
Munti ka nang sumabit.
Oh, munti kang sumabit tong isa kasi gumagawa ka ng e-travel.
Hindi pa ako nakagawa?
Oh, hindi pa siya nakagawa. And then, binigay ko yung phone sa kanya. Tapos medyo parang pinag-initan na din siya kanina ng immigration na nagtatanong sa akin kasi
grabe na yung pinag-initan.
Sumusunod siya sa akin.
Sumabay ka.
Ilang minuto na naiwan ka? Parang
5?
No, parang
5
10
lang?
minutes. Basta matagal. Okay na kanina eh. Wala na, nag-fail na. Unang away, hindi pa nakapuntang Taiwan. Ang goal ko namin this travel is hindi nila kami kilala. So, watch out. Alam ko ba nandito sa bag ko. Thank you po.
Welcome to Taoyuan International Airport.
Another international airport. Ano lang? Kasi natulog lang kami buong biyahe. 1 o'clock a.m.
You know what guys, this is so funny because this is actually considered as a semi-unplanned travel kasi original plan was to go in Vietnam but shit happened. We weren't able to book a ticket kasi super mahal nung time na magbo-book kami. So sabi namin, yeah, let's go to Taiwan. Hindi din planned na 8 days and 7 nights. Accidental lang yung pagkabook ko ng ganun kahaba. But of course, we know that we can enjoy naman every country that we visit because sabi nga nila, it's not the place but it's the person you're with. We can always make simple moments into special moments and highlights of our travels.
Maybe.
Ganun. Na-activate ko siya pero hindi siya nagpapakita sa phone ko.
So ayan. Medyo may problema sa pag-activate ng data ba?
eSIM.
Yung eSIM pa lang eSIM. Wala ka na kung alam sa ganyan.
So yun guys.
Finally.
Isang problema na ang nairaos namin. Kasi yung eSIM namin from Klook. Medyo nagloko siya. Hindi pa man din kami nag-avail ng pocket wifi. May may two options ng para may internet ka dito. Mag-avail ka ng pocket wifi. Kunin mo na dun sa Klook, dun sa Manila. Tapos gamitin nyo dito. Or kuha ka ng eSIM. Dahil magaling ako, pinili ko yung eSIM. Ilang months ko nang minamanifest na mananalo kami. May tiwala ka bang mananalo?
Good luck. Start mo na. Ano yan? Show me QR code.
Nanalo siya, guys. 5,000 MEV.
Talaga pag alam talaga ng Panginoon kung sino yung walang dito ngayon.
Kinakabahan na yan. Nanalo kasi siya, guys.
Hindi naman kasi ako yung nag-ano nito.
Nag-register.
Tapos ako yung mag-claim.
May problema yung nasa harap niya, guys. So, wish us luck. Ako'y nai-stress na.
Ikaw na-stress na. Gutom na rin ata tong kasama ko.
Truths. I-stress na ako, guys. Medyo, G-Rap. Wait lang. Where's the MRT? Wait lang. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong ano yun. Bankyal. Shit. Puro stress na yung picture ako. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Anyong guys. Nandito kami ngayon. Nandito pa rin kami ngayon sa may airport. And we're waiting for the MRT gates to open. Ano daw oras? 5:30?
5:50.
5:50 siya nag-open. Anong oras pa lang? Kasi alauna kasi yung land namin kanina dito. Sana hindi kami mawala. It's our first time trying the MRT here in Taiwan. Ciao. Kaharap ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya. What are you doing?
Papunta na ako sa Africa.
Diba? Naboring si Akla. We're going to Taoyuan HSR para sumakay na kami ng HSR. Tandaan nyo to guys, kapag ito na iwakas namin na makaabot ng China, walang mali. Feel ko lahat na ng plano ko sa buhay matutupad ko na. Sabi nila ka ba? No, pero for real, I'm super proud of myself pag ito na iano ko. Kasi first time ko eh.
Think I can move on. These photos remind me of us.
Paano po ito?
So our first destination is Triayi, and we chose to book an HSR ticket beforehand para mas mabilis yung biyahe namin kasi magiging 1 hour away lang siya. And for those who do not know, HSR is like the bullet train of Taiwan. And this time, yun nga, kumakain muna kami, just killing time because strict sila. Dapat 1 hour before the train arrives, yung pasok mo sa may boarding gates. And this time, we took the opportunity to just enjoy the vibe and to just eat in a simple place while thinking na, girl, andito na tayo. Andito na kami. Nasa ibang bansa na naman kami. Eating. Just making every moment special.
I don't think I can move on. These photos remind me of us when we saw fireworks at Disney at midnight. You can
Madung tinatahak natin. Hindi kami nawala. Dito na kami sa Chai. Medyo nasugit yung nagdamag. Tatay niya, where?
and I think that I'm still in love. I'm of my mind. I still wear your bracelet, it reminds me of the time we drove out to the store in the middle of the night. I miss all the little things we did to pass the time. We had plans for us to move away when you were 25. Now we say goodbye for the
Mag-share na lang kami guys kasi baka hindi masarap. Tapos kumuha ko ng grapes, intestine, and then dumplings.
Dati ka wato dito.
You know what guys, while watching, natatakam na naman ako. I feel like right now, I am tasting all the flavors bursting in my mouth. Eme. So we crave seafood noodle. Yun yung name niya sa may menu nila. So meron siyang clams, may squid, fish ball, veggies, and shrimp. And it costs only 90 NTD. They also have a big serving, so it's really a good decision that we only ordered one. We paired it with dumplings with wonton sauce and veggies for only 60 NTD. And nag-add pa ako ng braised marinated pig intestine for 60 NTD. So in total, we spent 210 NTD and that's equivalent to 370.12 Philippine peso. So, syempre, bukod sa it's cheap for 2 packs, we love and enjoy the food so much because it really screams welcome to Taiwan, and dumagdag pa na it's full of locals, like tinadagsa siya during lunchtime, kaya alam mong it's loved by Taiwan people, and siguro ito talaga yung lasa ng Taiwan food for them, so it's really a good start for us.
And I think that I'm still in love.
What a great start. What a great start for us. First na try namin ng food, talaga nakuha namin yung
Oh, busog na ako. And
Ba? Busog at antok na antok ang kasama ko, guys.
sobra. Ano kasi, parang 1 hour na yung 1 hour din yung tulog mo kanina. Oh.
Saan na?
So yun, parang ngayon na magsisingin sa amin na naglalakad kami dito sa Taiwan.
Ito yung flash ko dyan. After eating a local Taiwanese food, guys. Local Taiwanese food. After eating, syempre, first things first, we have to taste milk tea. Kasi noon ang Taiwan for boba milk teas. But since we are here in Chiayi, hindi namin alam yung pinaka best seller nila. I have searched, pero walang constant na sinasagot. Oh my God, I'm so pretty here. Self-obsessed. Yan. So, may nahanap kami na maganda yung reviews niya. Organic reviews. And then, may mga nagsasabi na best milk tea in Chiayi that they tasted. Tapos, usually, mga foreigner din yung nagsasabi. Majority is from States. So, let's give it a try. Wala na. Just a random mirror here, guys. Doon kami pupunta. Nakikita niyo ba yung pila? So, ibig sabihin masarap.
Akala ko malamig kayo. Sobrang lamig kayo ng umaga.
Malamig sa Taoyuan kanina. As in, sobrang lamig. Like, talagang nginig yung kalamnan mo. Pero ngayon dito, parang nasa plaza lang talaga. Ang mga hindi marunong mag-Chinese, sa bestseller kakapit talaga. Pero nakita niyo naman yung pinakita ko sa inyong menu nila. Pero meron silang English menu. Kadalasan sa kanila, based on our experience, kapag hindi ka makapagsalita ng Chinese, they will ask you if you want the English menu. Pero, majority talaga sa kanila hindi nagsasalita ng English. Like, basic lang talaga. I'm so fresh here.
I'm so sleepy.
Can't relate.
So since 2 PM pang check-in namin, we decided na maglakad-lakad muna, just enjoy the view and the streets. Pumunta pa kami actually sa Alishan Railway Garage Park, pero I wasn't able to shoot anything kasi sobrang tired na kami. Almost one day na kaming nagbibiyahe. So after na pwede na kaming mag-check-in, dumiretso na kami sa hotel. We book an Uber ride para makapunta na doon diretso, para kahit makapag-sleep lang before our exploring time na naman.
Here's the room. Meron din silang hair dryer. So, and this is her view.
Tingnan po namin. And, yeah. Busog-lusog pa yung mata ko.
Wala kami natapos na itinerary today. Ang napuntahan lang namin is yung Alishan Railway. Yung old, yung parang naging park na. Because we're so tired. And ngayon lalabas kami. We were supposed to go at Hinoki Village. But it closes ng 6 PM. 5:30 na. It's a 25-minute walking. So, hindi na kaya ng oras namin. So, ngayon magna-night market lang kami. But before that, magsa-sightseeing muna kami sa window shopping kasi medyo malayo siya sa amin. Yun lang. Just updating you with the vibe of Chiayi, Taiwan, guys.
To be honest guys, we weren't expecting anything grand with Chiayi kasi Chiayi is known as the gateway to Alishan. Yun lang yung famous sa kanya. Parang siya lang yung stopping or parang entry papunta sa Alishan. Pero I don't know if we were just biased because this is our first destination, it's our first spot, but we really enjoyed the place. I love how it's modern and at the same time super rich pa rin in culture. Alam niyo yun, big buildings, big establishments, but behind that there are still houses, there are locals, full of local food. So we really love the place.
What's this? Shit. Yeah, ano kaya to? Dumpling? Ay, yung sarap. There's this street food, cream puff and milk stick. Chocolate sa kami.
As a sweet tooth girly, nagtempa ko kaagad sa crispy puff. 30 NTD each yung crispy puff. It comes with different flavors but I chose milk kasi I'm a milk lover. And then 60 NTD each naman for the milk stick. Meron ding ibang flavors but we chose chocolate kasi Eloy loves chocolate too. So a total of 90 NTD or 158.21 Philippine peso. And it's a 10-10 for a sweet tooth like me, especially their crispy puff kasi I used to order and pasabay sa Victoria's Baguio ng cream puff. Alam ko madaming nakakaalam nun, but this one kakaiba. Ibang level yung cream niya sa loob. Kakaiba, like hindi ka din mauumay sa mismong parang tinapay niya, ganun. Kasi manipis lang siya and then medyo crispy. So, I really love your combination. Kung malapit lang talaga yon, bibili na naman ako ulit kapag nag-crave ako.
Nahumaling siya sa pagkain. No. Let's try. Luma. Butikman mo ako.
Sorry.
Gusto ko ng...
This is great.
Ano yan? May prutas sa loob niya?
Yeah.
Not surprised. Parang binalot na prutas lang sa jelly.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean,
Asim ng grape. Dikit-dikit din siya, guys.
and apple.
Fun fact guys, hindi ko alam na nag-exist ang Wenhua night market kasi wala talaga sa plano ko to. And ang nakakatuwa, ito po yung mas pinaka na-enjoy ko sa lahat ng night market na ginawa namin sa Taiwan. Kasi hindi ko alam na nag-exist siya. Ang alam ko lang na mapupuntahan namin ni Eloy is yung Rauhe night market and then yung Shilin kapag may time. And at the same time, yung Ximending na night market. Pero, yun nga, sabi nga nila, it's always the sponty moments. Itong Wenhua night market, yung pinaka na-enjoy ko, pati actually yung foods niya.
Tanghulu. Anyang, kuha kami ng tanghulu. Na-ignorante kami. Meron kasi silang nilalagay na parang wrap. Para siyang yung white rabbit na edible yung wrapper niya. Yun pala nakakain pala talaga.
Tinatanggal namin.
Tinatanggal namin. Tapos sabi ko, ba't kasi nilagyan niya pa? Alam niya namang madikit. Let's try. Ang harap.
Sarap?
Ang harap.
Doon, sarap doon. Ano to? Ang chicken.
Alam mo, hindi ako nag-expect ng too much. Nang sabi nila, hindi daw worth it ang tanghulu. Pero ang sarap niya. Ang tamis pa ng strawberry.
Oo nga.
It's so masarap. For real.
You know, if there's one thing I can recommend to you guys is to DIY travel. Like, to hell with the touristy and trendy thing. So what if mawala ka minsan? I mean, the most treasured part of the travel for me are these moments, the unplanned ones, the places our feet takes us, and the happiness that we feel when we realize that we are making a memory again, and in another country pa.
Try natin guys yung isa sa best street food ng Chiayi, which is oyster egg and omelette.
Kaya nito, alam niyo yung very sponty moment na to the point na pumunta kami dito sa night market na hindi namin alam kung ano yung pinaka-main na food nila or yung pinagyayabang ng night market na yun. Pero we were just trying out food, yung mga bago sa paningin namin, and we were surprised kung gaano kalaki yung nilagay nilang oyster. But we really enjoyed the food and its flavors. Omelette siya pero meron siyang taste of Taiwan pa rin. Like they have this kind of seasoning na mai-smell mo maski nasa streets ka lang, ganon. And also one thing that I love about Chiayi people is that they are very accommodating. Alam mo yun, meron talagang language barrier sa Taiwan na feel namin yun. Sometimes you have to use basic English phrases lang so that you can understand each other. Pero meron talagang yung totally hindi ka nila maintindihan. And at the same time, we respect that kasi syempre it's also a fault in our part na dapat nag-memorize kami ng kahit simple phrases lang kapag bumibili. Ako kasi ang baon ko lang na pumuntang Taiwan, ni hao sa kasyesye, minsan iba pa yung pronunciation. So yun, lesson yun. Tip siguro. Kasi nung punta akong Bali, nag-memorize ako ng mga konting-konting phrases. Pero ito kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's a semi-unplanned travel. So yun. Pero I'm very thankful especially to Chiayi people kasi ang daming willing tumulong, very friendly nila, and yung mga marunong mag-English talagang pupunta sila sa'yo para tulungan ka kapag naririnig nilang hindi alam nung kasama nila yung tinatanong mo.
Laki na nilalagay nilang oyster guys.
Pero ano to, para kung kumain ng...
So our next stop is at Luisa Coffee. Nadaanan lang namin siya actually. So sabi namin, parang ang ganda doon, ang ganda tumambay. And we were amazed guys kasi very spacious cafe siya. So bukod sa self-order siya, then magpo-proceed siya dun sa counter ng order mo. Iisa lang yung barista doon. And then i-pick up mo yung coffee and then punta ka dun sa may space na gusto mo. Is yun nga, very spacious, ang daming tao pero you don't feel like you're with a lot of people kasi sobrang respectful nila, walang maingay. Yun yung tipong kaya mong mag-review ganon. And then, feel ko, sobrang na-prepare sa amin ng Universe yung best spot kasi ang ganda talaga ng spot namin na overlooking niya yung city lights and then yung intersection and all. And we also took this time to just take our me time but together. Alam mo yun, i-enjoy lang. And then, every now and then, mag-uusap kami na, uy, nandito na tayo sa Taiwan yun. While sipping our coffee. It was a great coffee date.
Guys, we're back in our hotel. Actually, we're planning to get lost sana. Maglalakad-lakad kami, pero itong isa after coffee. As always, as a lactose-intolerant boyfie, tinakbo namin from Louisiana Coffee to our hotel. Kanina pa yan, ini-stress niya ako. Lord. But here. Pero lalabas pa kami ulit mamaya kasi pupunta kami sa 7-Eleven. Kasi I did not buy Klook Easy Card doon sa airport. Kasi hindi cute yung Easy Card niya. So, nag-opt ako sa mga virtual transpo, basta kineme. And then ngayon, I want to look at 7-Eleven. Kasi sabi nila, magaganda daw yung mga Easy Cards sa 7-Eleven. Siyempre, ano ko yun, ididikit ko sa scrapbook ko, ganun, remembrance. So, dapat cute. As an aesthetic girl and kikay girly, dapat mga pink ganun. And I love this coffee. Louisa pala, guys. Louisa Coffee. It's milk tea coffee. So, para siyang nakapehan na winter melon na less sugar. Kasi, ayoko talaga ng matamis. So, pinili ko na mag-half sugar. Actually, sa Pilipinas, ang ginagamit ko, 25% sugar. Pero, baka kasi mapait yung kape nila dito. So, dapat nag-50 para safe. So, yun. Our hotel looks decent. Kasi ang mura lang niya. I mean, mura na siya for 2 packs. Tapos 2 beds yung pinili namin. Maganda siya. I mean, for me, maganda siya. Tapos meron din siyang window and all. So, yun. Bye-bye, guys. May video call kami mami ng anak ko. Katatapos kumiyak sa coffee shop kasi miss ko na yung anak ko. Sebi, I miss you. I know you won't understand this video, but I love you so much, anak ko. And someday, pupunta talaga tayong ibang bansa. So now, we're on our way to 7-Eleven to buy some breakfast for tomorrow kasi baka maaga yung punta naming Alishan. And then yun nga yung kwento ko sa inyo kanina na I have to buy a cute Easy Card. Ayoko, huwag ka makitan sa aso. Yung anak natin. Ito na sila. Cute Easy Cards.
Siyempre, sa bali doon, kung ginawa ko.
Eloy and his Coke against the world. Maski saan. Good morning, Chai County. Wait, mahiya ako guys. May mga nakaupo dito. But, it's almost 7:30 a.m. We are going to Chai Railway Station kasi today, ang schedule namin para pumunta sa Alishan. Hopefully, lumabas na yung pink ng mga cherry blossoms kasi parang pinaka-best month for cherry blossoms daw ang March. Here's a pic of our feet. Hindi kami matchy-matchy ngayon. Pinupush ni Eloy na may shade of brown daw yung ano niya.
It's mustard.
This is our review today, guys. May mga nagbabike at sobrang lamig. Malamig siya.
Oo, malamig pa na.
Ito
yung pila, guys. Coalition. And they're so friendly kasi feel nila ata hindi namin alam pupuntahan namin. I'm so excited! Excited ka ba punta sa Alishan?
Hindi ka ba na?
Bakit? Ang tagal namin yung pila sa isang bus. Yung alas 6 ka gumising pero mapapabilang ka sa 8:40 na bus. We made it, guys! For 8:40.
Ay, 8:40.
Oh, for 8:40 bus, nandito kami. It's
Alishan 8:40 man.
Ay, oo. Eksakto talaga. Alam nyo, alam ko naman to, napanood ko na, pero na-prove talaga namin na na grabe sila sa oras dito. Kung
Ang asin pa nung nakain.
ang cute ng baby din, tumitingin siya sa akin dito. Tingnan niyo yung bata doon. Oo. Tumitingin siya sa akin.
Sobrang tirik ng araw pero sobrang lamig din. Ayun.
Looking over my shoulder like I'm waiting for you to come over all the time. Do you believe in something pulling us towards a connection? If I could
Nagre-react.
I never was one to save it. Everything has a reason. I never was one to pray for everything in its season. Then I saw your face, and baby I was changed. And now I have to say, I believe in fate.
Hindi namin nila pupuntahan namin.
Susunod-sunod lang.
Sa sumusunod lang kami kung saan yung maraming tao. Like, yan.
I got this feeling like somehow we were made for each other. Like I never could fall for another if I tried.
Tayo, no? Nakakauhaw talaga. Hindi lang pala ganda-gandahan dito.
Puro lakad.
Hiking pala. Sundan niyo lang ba yung tatanda, guys? Sila daw kasi may alam ng mga scenic spots. So, yan. Sino may mga sinusundan na. Pakita mo. Ano eh.
Then I saw your face, and baby I was changed. And now I have to say, I believe in fate.
For those who do not know me personally, alam niyo bang may backstory kung bakit sobrang niro-romanticize ko ang cherry blossoms? Kasi back in 2018, merong talisay tree sa university namin, and that time, yung leaves niya nagtuturn na into orange. And parang random lang, nagpa-picture ako, and then I posted it on my private Facebook account. Sabi ko, someday, my background would be the real cherry blossoms. And hey, right now, nandito na ako. It's real cherry blossoms. But actually, what I posted there is in Japan and not Taiwan. And I feel like that's the moment na marirealize mo na how wonderful God's plan is. Because sometimes, di ba, meron tayong preset plans and we wanted it to turn that way. Pero sometimes, it doesn't come out exactly as you wish. But God made it more beautiful than how you planned it. Kasi, oo, ang sabi ko doon Japan, pero ang binigay niya Taiwan. Pero hindi ko naisip na nung time na nandito na ako sa Taiwan is yung health ko, emotional, physical health na sobrang tinetreasure ko is more than what I prayed for when it comes to how I think, at the same time how I handle my emotions. When I posted that, actually I was just a dreamer, diba? Kasi nung pinost ko yun, I was just a college girl, and kung kilala niyo ako personally, I did not come from a rich family. All of this is just from faith, because of prayers, and at the same time with the belief in myself na kaya ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, I deserve a tap in the shoulder. Hindi yung 26 years old CJ yung nakaka-experience ng mga moment na yun, kundi yung younger version of me na parang akala ko noon it was impossible for me to travel in another country. But just believe in yourself, and at the same time, every plan that you have in life, lagi-lagi talaga na isama mo si Lord. Lagi mong ibibigay sa Kanya. You present it like a PowerPoint.
Pero, tingnan nyo naman, kinakausap nila kami ng Chinese dito.
有，但是这边没有。
Every Sunday, I used to watch cartoons, but now I'm here.
跟需要结束，居民多起
Waking up with you, I would get excited
Pang tea kasi yan.
about my favorite show. Now you're the only thing I wanna watch.
Chicken balls and barbecue chicken wings.
Makikitos pa lang sana ako ganun.
Ganun pa.
Cause you thrill me, you chill me out. Got no reason to pretend I'm somewhere with someone else. When you're around, you heal me, you feel me. I'm exactly who I wanna be when I'm with you. You make me feel I'm more than enough. To me that's love. Every Friday I'd go out for an evening on the town, looking for someone, anyone, to call my name out loud. I'd get anxious, no one knows me. And your voice to calm me down. And take me to a movie, a matinee. Walk out in the middle, laughing all the way. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Cause you thrill me.
Guys, look at my boba milk tea. Ang sarap. It's from Yanzi. Kalasa siya ng D-cream. Highly recommend if you love creamy milk tea. And then, pwede mo pa ipa-adjust yung sugar. Sarap! Cute naman nasa likod namin, guys. Higa na pata dito sa park, guys. Ang tambay-tambay lang kami kasi napagod kami kanina sa may Alician, yung biyahe, actually. Here, just chilling. Kasi chill lang ang araw na ito. Birthday dinner is eating convenience store in Taiwan. Frenchie Fu braised pork chop bento kineme. Basta yun na yun. And then, I don't know what's this, but it's so cute. The packaging is so cute. Tapos si Ellie naman yung city cafe. So, pala guys, ang pera na pinakakain namin dito sa 7-Eleven is yung napanalunan ni. Diba? Imagine, itong food namin ngayon, it's worth 600 pesos na. Gasto na naman sana namin yun, pero dahil sinanalo siya, social lang kami dito eh. Yung hindi namin binibili ng mga chocolates na sa 7-Eleven sa Pinas. Binibili namin dito kasi anli kasi yung pera namin.
Hindi man anli, malaki lang, 8,000 lang.
Napanalunan, I mean ha. Hindi ako mayabang.
To pretend I'm somewhere with someone else. When you're around, you heal me, you feel me.
Iba pala lasa ng 7-Eleven dito sa Taiwan. So,
Ay, totoo. Wala naman kasing ganito doon sa atin eh.
ay wala ba? Wala pa. Meron, yung mga sisig.
That's exactly my point. Magkaiba ng benta ng food. Depende sa nationality. Sa country.
Pero mas masarap yun.
Judger, di mo man natin.
And since I super love Titang Hulo last night, sabi ni Eloy, bumili ka na. Kasi aalis na tayo dito sa Chiayi. So, kailangan bumili ka na. I-spoil mo yung sarili mo ng strawberry.
This one, this time, hindi na kami ma-ignorante at tatanggalin yung papel. Ay, Didi, sorry. Yeah. niya kami maalala. Buti na lang. Sabi niya yun.
Hindi niya malala yung katangahan namin.
Look at you. Phone mo? Bibi. Ay,
Huli yung katangahan.
Ito na birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. Rangulo. Tapos umiinom ako ng alak sa Taiwan. Strawberry flavor din, diba?
Ito yung nagpasarap na ito. Kain ngayon, kahapon yung konti. No? Kasi siguro big ngayon kasi Wednesday.
Hindi, Wednesday ata. May event ata sila ng Wednesday. Kasi kanina guys, dun sa park may tinambayan namin. Nag-set up sila, social nga yan. Nag-set up sila ng mga chairs na parang may banda na hindi lang siya, ay hindi siya banda. Parang may TV na pwede siyang mag-video okay. Tapos nagtataka kami bakit, as in, sa kabilang side ng park, nag-set up sila ng ganun. Yun pala, parang day ng, we're not sure, senior citizen lang. Pero, kumakanta sila doon, magkahiwalay yung place ng female sa male. Di ba ang social? Guys, ang sarap talaga nito for real. Chai. I'm in love with your tanghulo. Sagasaan.